Why don't we take a look inside of it?
Right now.
Just a quick look.
I'm plastered, but okay.
I know. Just a quick peek.
It's for the archives.
For the archives, exactly.
For the archives, so you can remember the going away party you had with your girlfriend before y'all went on your first big trip. The Maiden Voyage. Oh my god!
Ooh.
There's a bed in here.
Ooh.
Oh my god! Look at the fan.
Mm-hmm.
I had a lot of wine. We are officially getting ready to head out. We got Miss Twinkie, Freya. Oh, Freya sees Mike out there. We have Miss Freya. We have our whole setup back here. And we are hoping that it goes smoothly for the first leg of our journey on our way to Charlotte.
Going to Daytona.
Here we go.
At the light, use the right lane to merge onto I-4 East toward Daytona Beach.
Of course, they're going on I-4 East. We did it. We're on the road. We have our little girls back here. Freya keeps laying down and then standing back up because Twinkie is a very disapproving corgi this morning. So, we're officially on the road. 6.5 hours to our next stop.
Okay, so today's trip has confirmed what I've already known for a long time, and that's the 2008 van has been fixed. Its problem was indeed its diesel particulate filter, and we're cruising at about 75 right now. This van has a unique property in the fact that its limiter is fully unlocked, but it gets scary really quick. If anyone else has an unlocked 2008 Sprinter like this, let me know.
So Miss Freya has officially kind of settled back there on the bed. I took 2 window covers down so she has a little perch and she can look out the window. Miss Twinkie is laying over there in her bed, and they are just hanging out together, so super fun. It is very comforting for me because I have taken this one on a road trip once before by myself, and I had to rent a car. This is before I got to join the van life, and I had to rent a car, and unfortunately they stuck me with a Jeep Wrangler, which not exactly the best ride. And she was very anxious the whole way up to Charlotte. She was pacing and whining, and I had to stop a bunch of times to get her to calm down. So that made me kind of anxious because I am planning on my big trip in the spring, and obviously my fur child has to come with me. But she is just like hanging out back there. So that's very comforting for me. So yay, we are on 95 now. So probably about 6 hours left to go, something like that. Yay. Here comes Mike and the wild corgi. Oh, I'm sure that pup is so glad to be out of the van. She doesn't quite have her sea legs the way that this one does. He is approaching. Let's go say hi to them. Come on. Geese! Look at them! They're flying south for the winter. Corgi.
Made our first stop in Georgia at the welcome station. The van is doing great so far. We let the dogs out. They are chilling again back there. Don't know if you can see them. Twinkie's
There's
down
Twinkie's
there.
butt and there's Freya's head.
Exposure's crazy here. The sun is so bright, and we're eating some raspberry
Coffee cake! Woo!
raspberry coffee cake before we get back on the road.
Thanks, Publix.
Shout out to Publix.
Not a sponsor, but they could be. We're back at you from somewhere in the middle of Georgia. We have a dog that is angry that she's seat belted back there. Safety first, especially with the big one.
Oh, Freya. I don't know what to tell you, girl.
He has nothing to offer you. Stop it. Yeah, so that's what we're dealing with at the moment. But van's going great. The 8 is doing very well, very smooth. Traffic has been great. I'm not going to say that too loud because we all know what happens when you say things too loud in the universe. But
the universe do be like that sometimes.
yep, so dogs are just trying to figure out life back there, and we're just driving.
Vibing. Fuel light just came on at 409 miles. Ooh. Welcome to South Carolina.
Goodbye, Georgia. Hello, South Carolina. Freya is not enthused, and Corgi is just staring at the back. Update. We're going through the woods. It's beautiful. Miss Freya is still trying to get up front, and I've been on hold with AT&T for almost 45 minutes, so road trips are good for figuring out customer service, I guess.
It's one way to pass the time. The van is still running great, by the way.
Van is doing great. We're doing great. AT&T is just playing elevator music in my ears, and we're somewhere in South Carolina. Okay, so just hopped off of. Ooh, oh, he's jumping. There's a state trooper back there, jump starting a guy, and that's in his car. But we have now left I-95 North after I don't know what, like 4 hours?
Too many hours.
4 hours, three, something like that. I don't know. I lost count. But many hours on 95, and we are now on I-26. And we are only 3 hours away from Julia in our first stop. And Freya has decided that she is
Going postal. Freya's going postal.
yeah, she's losing her mind. So now I get to listen to that. It's very fun. But we got our snacks, we got our drinks, and we're just chilling. Back on the vlog. Ayo.
Yo.
We are still in South Carolina, about 40 minutes away from where we are landing for the next couple days.
I wonder if anyone will notice that we lost the curtain rod.
We did in fact lose a curtain rod. It did in fact fall. And we do have a screaming husky back here. So hopefully there will be a rest stop between here and where we're going, but knowing my luck, probably not. But what can you do? That's life, traveling with dogs. Love this for us.
You said to vlog the good, the bad, and the ugly, and Freya just hit herself. What do you have to say for yourself, Freya? All over the comforter in my van. No carpet damage, but we did lose a classic comforter in the process.
And my whole arm.
Ugh.
You realize what happened, right?
No, I don't
I
think
had her
I
and
wanna
she started circling, and I was like, oh no. Like, I thought she was gonna pee, and I was like, fuck, she's gonna pee I could deal with, whatever. So I just like scooped my hand underneath her butt because I was like, okay, and then we saw the rest area. Literally, if we would have gotten to the rest area 2 minutes earlier, this would have been avoided. But and then I had my hand on her butt, and she started pooping.
Oh my god.
And I didn't want it on the bed. I can do is laugh.
You see her arm?
Oh, I have more wipes. I'm gonna go into the bathroom and like
Ew.
wash all the way up to my shoulder. We're 30 minutes away from Julia's house. We were literally, as it was happening, like pulling into the rest stop. I just like, the only thing you can do is laugh. It's not her fault.
It wasn't Twinkie this time either.
Oh my god.
It's Freya.
Just so you know, Freya just like projectile fucking shat everywhere in the van, so we're gonna be a minute late. We're at the rest stop 30 minutes away from your house. We almost made it.
Alright, Anna's gonna go give herself a sponge bath. I'm trying to get Freya's nervous poops out. Twinkie's guarding the Sprinter. She's doing a good job of it too. It's being aired out right now while, yeah. Hello, poopy girl.
She is a poopy girl. She's officially the only stinky. She's stinky.
She's stinky forever. You almost ready to go then?
So, oh no! We were just trying to kill a sprinter bug, and well, go ahead.
So I went to go hit the windshield to kill it, and boom, that happened. It's pretty scary.
Yeah. So in the past 20 minutes,
everything's falling apart.
everything has collapsed. Freya started pooping all over me and our bed. We had to throw away all of our bedding because the alternative is just carrying it with us in here to wash it, which I'm not down for, so Target or something.
No, we're only 30 minutes from our destination. I'm not harboring poopy sheets.
No, it was bad. It wasn't just it was bad. So, yeah, and then immediately we get in the van and get on the highway, and the windshield did that. So, it can only go uphill from here. Oh, no. Oh. Got you some of that wine that I was telling you about?
What do you have in your paws?
Oh, great. The poop plague is following us. Tony stepped in something.
Oh, Tony.
Mud. If it were poop, he would know and he would be panicking right now.
Would he?
Yeah, he did that once.
Big heckin'
And
yawn.
he sat in the house and just like stress rolled.
Tony! Come say hi to me. He doesn't love me as much as he used to, and I'm really
You
upset.
have Freya in the way. Once Freya's out of the way.
Yeah, you're not even wrong. But if you want to look at it, it's kind of trashed right now. We gotta buy new bedding.
I have wow.
What is?
Look at this.
I sewed that, dude.
Hello, I haven't even said hello to you yet. Hello.
Oh no, she's jumpy.
I love you too. I love you too. She's so cute.
She is really cute.
So cute.
She's really cute.
I just saw her face up close and I'm like,
Yeah, I know, but she is like 100% corgi, so she can kind of be a butthole. But like, but she's also very
Her
sweet.
little teeny dog bed.
Twinkie,
Yeah.
get down. No jumpy.
Twinkie, how dare you jump on me? How dare you? Oh, I'm so offended.
But I sewed that, man. Like the fucking thing on the window.
Oh, that?
Right ahead of you. There's one for every window, and I made them. I learned how to use a sewing machine, and I made them all in one
Wow,
night.
look at you go.
Well, technically
Amazing.
two nights, but
Does that bed like go anywhere?
like
Or is it just there?
It's
it's
just there.
Oh,
It's unfortunately an always bed.
takes up a lot of space.
Yeah, it does.
But at least you can fit stuff under it.
Yeah.
Oh, she's a big girl. She's such a big girl. Oh my god.
She's now puking. It's fine, I'm fine.
Freya girl, what's wrong? Too much van for one day.
How is Layla doing, by the way?